Honestly, this is the best purple yam mochi I have ever eaten. And we're not going to make the mochi skin from scratch. Instead, we'll be using rice paper. This mochi recipe is shockingly delicious and incredibly easy to make. Let's get started! Purple yams are available in most Asian grocery stores. You can also replace them with other types of sweet potatoes. Peel the purple yams. And slice them into rings. In a steamer over high heat, bring water to a boil and place the purple yams inside. Cover the lid. Steam over high heat for 15 minutes until completely cooked through. Carefully remove and rest until slightly cooled down. In a pan over medium-low heat, add the glutinous rice flour and constantly stir until lightly brown for about 5 minutes. You can also click on the link right here if you like to make the mochi skin from scratch. Set aside. In a food processor, add the cooled down purple yams and sugar. You can add more or less based on your preferences, and whole milk. Blend it until it becomes a paste. You can also mash it in a mixing bowl. This pink color rice paper is made from rice and beetroots. I have some left over in my pantry. You can also replace it with a regular rice paper. Dip the rice paper in water. Place it in a small bowl. And scoop about 3 tablespoons of the filling in the center. Gather and seal the rice paper together. That's the rice paper mochi with the cooked glutinous rice flour. People often ask me, why do I like to cook? There are many reasons. One of the reasons is because I think food is magical. It always unites people and bringing everyone together on the same table. And setting aside our differences, it makes everyone happy and creates memories. It's the simplest joy in life, don't you think? Enjoy! It's hard to believe that the skin is made from rice paper because it's kind of chewy, it has this cute texture, it's just so good. I hope that you enjoyed today's episode also. If you like it, subscribe, follow, and like, and I will see you again soon. Bye!